Hello, this is a video presentation for Map Business Online. We're talking a little bit about successful markets. Once you've determined a market is successful and you've underscored some of the characteristics behind that area that make it successful, then you're able to go back into a business map and create zip code profiling, city profiling, county profiling, whatever layer you'd like to play with. That might take the entire array of zip codes, for instance, for the entire nation, and filter them down to the key demographic areas. And you can see these blue zip codes here, and they are all across the nation, and they represent zip codes that for the particular marketing uh, test that we did reflect zip codes where sales should be anticipated. And you can see these zip codes here all along the 95 profile corridor and here. And I'm just going to open up the Map Business Online data window. So that data window is sort of your view of data. And it shows sort of these as a territory across the nation. And if you drill in to the territories, you can see that population and that median household income was analyzed, and it was determined that a certain level of population and a certain level of income reflected zip codes that would do well with these particular products. That was done through filtering. So that's the filter button here. So in the demographic data, you pick population, and here the modifier, it's a greater than 15,000 or less than 20,000. So there's a range. And then again with demographic data, we picked median household income and set it as a range of greater than $90,000 for medium household. So with that filter enacted, clicking that filter button, the results were 174 zip codes of the 35,000 across the nation that were going to be the optimum zip codes in which to market those services and products. And that's what you see on the map. So that's one of the ways you can analyze results from sales campaigns and duplicate success from one area to another area across the nation. And then go find business listings or leads that might be suitable for marketing and sales targets. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial. Thank you.